Hello everyone. In our last session, we have started chapter number 3, a trip to Bhopal, and our topic was calculation. So today, still we have continue our topic calculation. So first question is take the best estimate. So what is the meaning of estimation? Estimation is finding a number which is nearly exact number. It is not exact but it is nearly. Okay, it is a quickly calculation we can do and it save a lot of time so that when the calculation does not have exact number. So first of all, there are some rules. We have to know what is the rule of estimation. First, see the digit. So whatever the digit is, one digit, the numbers is in 2 digits, 3 digits. See the digit. If the digit is in more than 5, that it will be estimated to the nearest one. See, 4. We have to estimate 4. So we have to see the number line. Here it is 4. Now we have to see it is closer to 0 or it is closer to 10. So as we know it is closer to 0 most. So it will be estimated by 0. Okay. Then if the number is in 2 digits. So see here number is 20 from 20 to 30. So 28 is on number line is here. So 20 is closer to 30 or 28 is closer to 20. So we can see 28 is closer to 30. So it will be estimated by 30. So 28 will estimated by 30 and 4 is estimated by 0. So now come our exercise, take the best estimate. So what is the rule? Which number we have to estimate? See the next number. See, here is 28 and here is 42. We have to multiply and then give the best estimate. There are 3 options. First of all, 28. We have to see the estimation of 28. See the number. See the first number. It is 2, and the right number of right digit of 2. It is 8. So it is more than 5 or less than 5. Yes, it is more than 5. So it will be, so this digit will be increased by 1. So here will be 3. 2 will be changed in 3 and 8 will be 0. So it will be estimated by 30. Then here is 42. So first of all see the first digit 4 and after this see the next digit is 2. It is less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So this digit will not be increased by 1. It will be same as it is 4. So and here will be 0. This digit will be changed into 0. Here will also it changed into 0. So 30 multiplied by 40 is equal 1200. See, 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12 and this 1 0 and 1 0 plus 2 0 will be here. So answer is 1200. Here this is option. Okay. Now see the next number. 81 multiplied by 11. So see the first number it is 8. Now see the right digit 1. It is less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So this digit will be increased or not? No, this digit will not be increased. It is as it is. And it will be changed in 0. Then here is 11. See the first digit and then right one of the 1. So it is 1. It is more than or less than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So it will be increased or not? No, it will be not increased. So here will be 1 and here will be 0. Remember one thing, which digit we have to see, this digit will be changed in 0. Okay. So 80 multiplied by 10 is equal to 800. So here this option is correct. Then after this 73 multiplied by 12. See the first number 73 and first digit is 7. After first digit is, that means after first digit that is on unit place, it is 3. So it is less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So it will be increased or not? No. it will be not increased, it will be same as it is 7. Then it will be changed in 0. Multiply by, now here is 12. So first digit is 1 and look at the right digit of 1. It is 2. So it is less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So it will be increased or not? No, it will be not increased. It will be 1 here and here will be 0. 70 multiplied by 10 is equal to, see, 7 ones are 7 and 1 0 plus 1 0, 2 0 will be here. So answer is 700 here. Okay, next 98 and 24. So first of all we have to estimate this number. First digit is 9. So first of all we have to estimate this digit. See, the right digit of 9, it is 8. Okay, so it is less than or more than 5? Yes, it is more than 5. So when the digit is more than 5, then this digit will be increased by 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. And this digit will be changed in 0. Okay, now see, here is 2. Look at the right digit. Only we have to look this digit and then according to this digit we have to change this number. Okay, so here is 4. It is less than 5. So this digit will increase or not? No, this digit will not increase. Here will be 2 and here will be 0. It will be changed in 0. Okay, so 100 multiplied by 20. So 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0. So this is the right answer. After complete this exercise, let's take some example how to estimate 2-digit numbers and yes, 2-digit numbers. So here's the first number is 25. So first of all we have to see which number will be estimated. So first digit is 2. This digit will be estimate. So to estimate this number we have to look the right digit which is from 2. It is 5. ये 5 से 5 के equal है. So the rule is that when the digit is more than or equal to 5, it will be round up. Okay, so round up means this digit will be increased by 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal 3 and this digit will be changed in 0. So 25 will estimate by 30. Okay, so next is 76. So first digit is 7. So we have to estimate this number. So see, the right digit is of 7, it is 6. Now tell me, 6 is more than 5 or less than 5? Now as we know, 6 is a more than 5. Okay, so when the digit is more than 5, then first digit that is on 10th place, it is increased by 1. So 7 plus 1 is equal 8. And 6 will be changed in 0 because we are finding the rounding figure. Okay, then next is 89. This digit we have to estimate. So see the right digit of 8. It is 9. Now tell me, 9 is more than 5 or less than 5? As we know, 9 is more than 5. So it will be increased by 1. Okay. So 8 plus 1 is equal 9 and this digit will be changed in 0. So 89 will be estimated by 90. Next is 43. First digit is 4. So look at the second. This digit we have to see. Now it is less than 5 or more than 5. You know that 3 is less than 5. So what is the rule when the digit is less than 5? The rule is that when the digit is less than 5, first digit is not increased. It will be same as it is. Here is 4, so here will be 4 and this digit will be changed in 0. So 43 is estimated by 40. Then next is 68. As we know that 6 digit will be estimated. So see the right digit of 6, it is 8. Now see, 8 is more than 5 or less than 5. So we know that 8 is more than 5. So it will be increased or not? Yes, it will be increased by 1. So 6 plus 1 is equal 7 and it will be changed in 0. Then last one is 30. See the first digit, it is 1 and the right one is 3. Okay, 3 is less than 5 or more than 5. It is less than 5. So when the digit is in less than 5, so this digit will not be increased. So it will be as it is 1 and 3 will be changed in 0. After complete the topic of estimation, we have to start new topic. It is approximation. Take the closest approximation. Now we should know what is the approximation. The same as the estimation. Approximation is the way that finding the number which is which is nearly to the exact number. It is not exact number, it is close to the exact number. See, it is the rules of the approximation as same as estimation. First of all, 1345. Here 4 digits, 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits are there. So first of all, which digit will be approximated? This digit. First number. Always first digit will be approximated. Now see the next one. It is 3. So same rule as in estimation. It is less than 5 or more than 5. 3 is less than 5. So this digit will be increased or not? No, this digit will not be increased. It will be as it is now. Now see, after 1 there are 3 digits. Okay, so these 3 digits will be changed in 0. Okay, so 1345 meter will be approximated by 1000 meter. Okay, so we have to give the answer in kilometer. See, here's the options are there in kilometer. So we know, as we know, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So here's a 1000 meter. So it is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, clear? Now see the next. 1785. Here's also 4 digits. Okay, but see the first digit. It is 1. Now see the next one. It is 7. It is more than 5 or less than 5. Yes, it is more than 5. यानी कि 5 से ज़्यादा है. So when जब digit 5 से ज़्यादा हो, then what rules will be followed? This digit यानी कि ये 1 जो है वो 1 नंबर से increase हो जाएगा. So 1 plus 1 it will be 2 and after that 3 digit will be changed in 0. Okay, so 1785 meter will be approximated by 2000 meter. So 2000, so 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. So which is the correct option? This one. Okay. Okay, the next question is 8884 meter. Now see, here's first digit is 8. Then after this, look at the right digit of 8. It is 8. It is more than 5 or less than 5? Yes, we know that 8 is more than 5. So this digit will be increased by 1. 8 plus 1 is equal 9. And then after this, after 8, 1, 2, 3. 3 digits will be changed in 0. So answer will be 9000. 9000 meter is equal to how many kilometers? So as we know, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. So 9000 meter is equal to 9 kilometer. So which is the correct option here? Okay. Now, is it clear now? I hope you have understood. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the missing numbers. So here the question are in multiplication form. So first is 18 multiplied by which number so that we will get 90. So here the first number is given. Okay. And product is also given. So we have to see the table of 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72 and 18 fives are 90. So here we will get 90. 18 fives are how many times? 5 times. So 18 fives are 90. In this way we can get the second number. Then B. Here first number is missing. So to find out the first number, we have to divide that two numbers. 77 divided by 7. Okay. Divide it. 77 divided by 7. See the rule of the division. See the first digit. It is 7. Now can we divide by 7 or not? Yes, we can, because it is equal. The rule is when the first digit is greater or equal to the 7, then we can divide it. So take the 7. In 7 table, 7 will come one time. Okay. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now next number will be down. Now 7 will come in 7 table one time. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now answer is 11. So when we see the table of 11, 7 times will come 77. So 11 multiplied by 7 is 77. Okay. Which number will be multiplied by 6, so that we will get 78. So we have to do division. 78 divided by 6. Now see the first digit. It is 7. Yes, it is greater than 6. So we can divide the 7. So take the table of 6. In 6 table, 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. 12 is a greater than 6. So we can't take 12. So we have to take 1 time. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 is equal 1. And then 8 will be down. So here 18. So take the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So 3 times will come 18. Okay, answer is 13. When we see the table of 13, 13 6 are 78. Now see, 33 multiplied by 10, so answer will be, so product. When we multiply by two numbers, then answer will be called as product. So 33 ones are 33. And this 0 will be add. Answer is product is 330. Now we have completed the topic of calculation. Now start the topic of word problem. So as we know, there are 4 types of word problem based on basic operation, based on money, time and length. So we'll start from one by one. First question is, class 4 of a school is going for a picnic. There are 4 sections. So underline that 4 sections are there. And each section has 35 students. How many students on each section? 35. 2 teachers will also go with each section. So we'll underline 2 teachers in each section. We'll also go with each section. Find out how many buses would be needed for all students and teachers if each bus has 50 seats. So in one bus, each bus means 1. So one bus has 50 seats, so how many buses will be needed? Will there be any seats vacant? So how many? If there's any seats vacant, then how many? So first of all, look at the question. If the first rule of to solve the word problem, read it once, twice, thrice to understand the which is given and which is asking. So first of all, when we read out, then underline that information which is given. So first information is 4 sections are there of 4 standard, and in 4 section, in each section 35 students will go. 35 students plus 2 teachers. Okay. So first of all, we have to find out each section means 1. In each section, how many persons will go? So first of all, 35 students. See, here 35 students is given. So 35 students. Then plus how many teachers in each section? There are 2 teachers. So plus 2. teachers. When we do addition, so we will find out that how many person will go in each section. Okay, so 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 0 is 3. 37 people, that is student plus teachers, that is people. 37 people will go in each section. So in one section, how many person? 37. 37 people. So then see, how many section are there? 4 section. And we have information of 1 section. So we have to find out for 4 section. In 4 section, how many people? See, information of 1, value of 1 is given and value of more than is asking. So rule is that when the value of 1 is given and value of more than is asking, then we will do multiplication. So 37 multiplied by 4. Okay, now here's only 1 digit, so start from 4. 4 sevens are 28. 8 will be here and 2 will be carry forward. Now 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2 is 40. 148. So here we know that 148 total student and teachers will go all 4 sections. So 148 148 people, that means 148 seats we will need. Okay. Now see, in one bus, how many seats are available? 50 seats. Okay. So we want 148 seats. So how many buses will we need? In one bus, 50 seats. If we take one bus, then 50 teachers and students can seat. Then if we take 2 bus, okay, so 50 plus 50, see, 50 plus 50 is equal 100. If we take 2 bus, then 50 plus 50, 100. So 100 seats can be filled. So we want 148. It is enough? No. We want more 48. So if we take 3 bus, so 50 plus 50 plus 50. This is 2 bus, this is 3 bus. So 150 seats will be available. Okay. So here we have to take 3 buses so that 150 seats will be available. So 150 seats in how many buses? 3 buses. And we have how many percent? 148%. So how many seats will be vacant? We have to find out. So 150 seats is available and 148% are there. So we have to do subtraction here. So 0 minus 8, it is not possible. So we have to borrow from the next one. It is 5. So we will take 1 from 5. So here will be 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 and here will be 10. Okay, so 1 will become on 1's units place. Okay, so here will be 10. 10 minus 8 is equal 2. Now 4 minus 4 is equal 0. 1 minus 1 is equal 2. So 2 seats will be vacant. Now here it is clear that if we take 3 buses, then 2 seats will be vacant. So see the question. Come again the question. How many buses would be needed? So how many buses would be needed? 3 buses. So we will write answer. 3 buses will be needed. And how many seats will be vacant? 2 seats. 2 seats will be vacant. Here the second word problem. Cost of a pencil is rupees 2. Find the cost of 15 such pencil. So as we told before, so read it 2 times, 3 times, how many times, so that you will understand the question. So first of all, which is given, cost of a pencil, okay, a pencil means one pencil. Cost of one pencil is rupees 2. Find the cost of 15 such pencils. Okay, here we should know which word is repeating 2 times, pencil and pencil. Okay, so we will start our statement with pencil. Because pencil is coming here 2 times, so we have to start our statement with pencil. So cost of one pencil is rupees 2. One pencil cost rupees 2. Find the cost of 15 such pencils. So 15 pencils cost how much? Here value of 1 is given and value of more than is asking. So here we will do multiplication. 15 multiplied by 2. We'll start from 2. 2 multiplied by 5. 2 5s are 10. We'll write 0 and 1 will be carry forward. Now 2 1s are 2. Add 2 plus 1, 3. Rupees 30. We can do by table. 15 2s are 30. Okay, so answer is rupees 30. Find the cost of 15 such pencil. So 15 pencil cost rupees 30. Here we completed this word problem. Next one. Find the number of apples left up after distributing 74 apples equally among 3 people. Here apples are distributing and equally. When this process is going on, but then distributing equally in each person, that here will be division. See, first of all 74 apples will be distribute, and how many people? 3 people. So we'll write statement. First of all, how many apples are there? 74 apples. And how many people? 3 people. So 74 apples will be distributed in 3 people. So 74 apples, 3 people. So 1 apple, how many people? Okay. Here value of more than is given and value of 1 is asking. So 74 divided by 3. First of all, we have to do division. 74 divided by 3. The rule of division, see the first digit. It is 7. It is greater or less than. It is greater than 3. So we can divide 7 by 3. Take the table of 3. In 3 table 7 will come? No. But 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. But 9 will be greater than 7. So we can't take it. So we have to take 2 times. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 4 will be down. Here 14 is here. So take the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. And 3 5s are 15. So 15 is greater than 14. So we can't take. So we have to get back 3 4s are 12. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So here's 2 is a reminder. So 24, which is answer, it will distributed apple. It is the number of distributed apple. and it is remainder which is apples left. Okay, what is the question? Find the numbers of apples left after distributing 74 apples equally among 3 people. So we have to find out the numbers of apples which is left. So answer is, how many apples are left? 2. 2 apples are left. Coming to the next question. Manish has rupees 100. So Manish has rupees 100 and he spent rupees 43. From 100 he spent rupees 43 on buying books. How much money is left with him? So he has rupees 100. From 100 he has spent 43. So we will not write statement here because it is the sum of subtraction. So first of all we will write rupees 100 which is Manish has. Then how much he spent? 43. Rupees 43 he spent. Now see, here is only 2 digits and here 3 digits. So we have to put 1 0 so that we will do subtraction. Now we have to find out how much money is left with him. So we will do subtraction here. 0 minus 3 is not possible. So we have to take borrow from which number? Next one it is 0. So we can't take it borrow from here. So we have to come on 1. So if the 100 place is 1, so we have to take give the borrow from here. Here will be 0. Okay, and here will be 10. So then if we give from 10 1 here, so here will be 9. And on the unit place here will be 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. And 9 minus 4 is 5. Then 0 minus 0, 0. And what is the unit of 57? It is rupees. Left with him. Okay. What is the question? How much money is left with him? So we will write answer rupees 57 left with Manish. Here we have completed. Okay, coming to the next question, 5 number. Anshu has 2 boxes. How many boxes? 2 boxes of pencil with 14 pencils in each box. Each box means 1 box. In 1 box, how many pencils are there? 14 pencils. And how many boxes? He has 2 boxes. He gave 8 pencils to his brother. How many pencils he gave? 8 pencils. To his brother, how many pencils are left with Anshu? Ashu. So here we have to find out how many pencils he has. So one box is equal 14 pencils. So 2 boxes, how many pencils? 1 box, 14 pencils. 2 box, so here we will do multiplication. 14 multiplied by 2. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. 28 pencils are there in 2 boxes. Now see, total 28 pencils are there. How many pencils? He gave 8 pencils. Now how many pencils left with him? 28 pencils he had and 8 pencils he gave. So how many pencils? To find out we have to do subtraction. Now here we have to take 0. We have to put the 0. Then 8 minus 8 is 0 and 2 minus 0 is 2. 20 pencils left with him. Now see the question. How many pencils are left with Ashu? 20 pencils are left with Ashu. Okay, is it clear?